Hello, guys. Today in the exam clinic, we are looking at a question from measurement. So, this question says if AD is 6 centimeters and AB equals BC equals CD, find the area of the shaded region. Now, we can see that what we are looking at here, we are looking at semicircles. So we need area of a semicircle. Area of a semicircle is basically half times area of a circle, meaning it is half pi r squared, right? Now, what we know here, we know we are given that AB plus BC plus CD equals AD, isn't it? And we are told AB equals BC equals CD. So we can say, letting all of them to become AB, we can say we have 3AB. So 3AB will be equal to AD. What we know about AD is that it is 6 centimeters, isn't it? It is 6 centimeters. Therefore, we can say AB must be 2 centimeters, right? So that is to say, AB is 2 centimeters, BC is 2 centimeters, and even CD is 2 centimeters. Because we are looking for area of the shaded region, we will need diameters, isn't it? So let's say this diameter of AD, not diameter, we're looking for the radii. So radius of AD will be half the diameter. So this will be 6 centimeters over 2. So half of 6 centimeters is 3 centimeters. Now, we also need a radius of AB. We said AB is 2 centimeters. So to get its radius, we will need to divide it by 2. Therefore, AB, or rather radius of AB, is equal to 1 centimeter. Remember, radius of AB is equal to a radius of BC. It is also equal to radius of CD. With this being said, we can basically be saying area of AB is the same as area of BC and is the same as area of CD. Okay, and now let's find area of the shaded region. So area that is shaded will be area of, let's say, AD. Area of AD, okay, area of AD plus area of BC. We're looking at the shaded region, and in the shaded region we have subtracted AB, so we'll say minus area of AB minus area of CD. As you can see, these are the semicircles. Right, area of AB, we know formula for an area is half base times height. So rather, it is half pi r squared, right? So we will say area of AD is half pi r square of AD, and this half pi r squared of BC minus half pi r squared of AB minus half pi r squared of CD, right? So what we know that area of A, rather not area, but radius of AD was 3 centimeters. So we'll say half pi 3 square. And then BC, AB, and CD are all 1 centimeters. Their radii are 1 centimeters. So let's see. Okay, so now let's get this value and see what is the area of the shaded region. Okay, correct to 2 decimal places. The area of the shaded region is 12,57 square centimeters. Right, the area of the shaded region is 12,57 square centimeters. And this is how you find area of a shaded region in such an object. Okay, in such an object. With that being said, it's a wrap and bye bye.